EYEN stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Eyenovia stock is a buy or not for me. So watch till the end. Ultimately, as I'm just looking at this, I mean, my most recent prediction is, I was hopefully taking it up and buying. And the idea was correct. It did manage to take the highs out, but it was a whole different timing. So no trades got taken there. So how can I recover from this? Well, it's not going to be by immediately buying. And just for context, I've done well over 41,000 videos, and there's a track record of seeing what's working for me and what's not. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. Especially now, if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a correction and double break confirmation, then and only then I'm buying. Other than that, I'm not going to look to do anything. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.